Have you ever been stuck on a homework question and wished you could get some help from someone who knows the answer? Or have you ever wanted to share your knowledge and help other students who are struggling with their studies? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you should try Brainly, the world's largest social learning network for students. Brainly is a website and an app where you can ask and answer questions about any subject, from math and science to history and literature. You can also find expert explanations for textbooks, step-by-step solutions for math problems, and tips and tricks for studying better. Whether you need help with your homework, want to prepare for a test, or just want to learn something new, Brainly is the place for you. In this video, we will show you how to use Brainly and get the most out of it. Let's get started. How to ask a question on Brainly. To ask a question on Brainly, you need to create a free account or log in with your existing one. You can use your email, Facebook, or Google account to sign up or log in. Once you are logged in, you can click on the Ask a Question button at the top of the homepage. You will see a form where you can type your question, choose the subject, and add any details or attachments that might help others understand your question better. For example, let's say you want to ask a question about the difference between Darwinism and Neo-Darwinism. You can type your question in the first box, choose biology as the subject in the second box, and add some context or examples in the third box. You can also attach a picture or a file if you have one. When you are done, click on the Ask button at the bottom of the form. Your question will be posted on Brainly and visible to millions of students and experts who can help you. How to answer a question on Brainly. To answer a question on Brainly, you need to be logged into your account. You can browse through different subjects and topics to find questions that interest you or match your expertise. You can also use the search bar to look for specific questions or keywords. For example, let's say you want to answer a question about the purpose of the prologue of Romeo and Juliet. You can type prologue Romeo Juliet in the search bar and hit enter. You will see a list of questions related to your search. You can click on the one that you want to answer. You will see the question, the details, and any attachments that the asker provided. You will also see other answers that have been given by other users. You can upvote or downvote these answers based on their quality and accuracy. To give your own answer, you can click on the Answer button at the bottom of the page. You will see a form where you can type your answer, add any sources or references that support your answer, and attach any pictures or files that might help explain your answer better. For example, you can type your answer in the first box, cite some evidence from the text in the second box, and attach a screenshot of the prologue in the third box. When you are done, click on the Post Answer button at the bottom of the form. Your answer will be posted on Brainly and visible to the asker and other users who can comment on it or thank you for it. How to use other features on Brainly. Besides asking and answering questions, there are many other features that you can use on Brainly to enhance your learning experience. Here are some of them. Number 1. Textbook Detective. This is a feature that allows you to find step-by-step solutions to the problems in your textbook, created by experts. You can access this feature by clicking on the Textbook Detective button at the top of the homepage. You can then search for your textbook by title, author, ISBN, or subject. You will see a list of chapters and sections that cover different topics and concepts. You can click on any of them to see the solutions for each problem. Number 2. Math Solver. This is a feature that allows you to get instant step-by-step solutions for any math problem. You can access this feature by clicking on the Math Solver button at the top of the homepage. You can then type or scan your math problem using your camera or keyboard. You will see the solution for your problem along with explanations and graphs. Number 3. Community. This is a feature that allows you to interact with other users who share your interests and passions. You can access this feature by clicking on the Community button at the top of the homepage. You can then join different groups and clubs that cover different subjects and topics. You can also create your own group or club and invite other users to join. You can chat with other members, share tips and resources, and have fun learning together. Brainly is a great way to learn anything, anytime, anywhere. You can ask and answer questions, find solutions for your textbooks and math problems, and join a community of learners who are ready to help you. Whether you need help with your homework, want to prepare for a test, or just want to learn something new, Brainly is the place for you. So what are you waiting for? Join Brainly today and start learning with millions of students and experts around the world.